Under the syllabus of Herbal Drug Technology, we are going to cover a topic on nutraceuticals. So there are different subpoints which are included in nutraceuticals. You need to know what are nutraceuticals, their general aspects, market growth, scope, different types of products available in the market for nutraceuticals, health benefits and roles of nutraceuticals in different ailments, specifically like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, and various gastrointestinal diseases. In today's lecture, I'm going to go into the details of some of the herbs which are used as health food: alfalfa, chicory, ginger, fenugreek, garlic, honey, amla, ginseng, ashwagandha, and spirulina. There are 10 herbs which are given in the syllabus. And also, we are going to learn and understand the interaction of herb and drug, herb and food. So what kind of interactions may take place between a drug and a herb, a food and a herb? What are the possible side effects? So specific examples are given in your syllabus, that is kava kava, hypericum, St. John's wort, ginkgo biloba, ginseng, garlic, pepper, and ephedra. So let us understand what do you mean by the word nutraceutical. So nutraceutical, it is not a drug or a medicine. So you must have seen there are some nutraceutical companies who are manufacturing different range of the products and they are providing health benefits. They are neither drugs nor they are medicines, and they are clearly labeled as nutraceutical on their product. One of the well-known company is the Amway. Okay, they are producing so many different types of nutraceuticals. Over here, I have shown you the picture or the photograph of a brand that is daily from Nutrilite Amway, which is a multivitamin, multimineral tablet. Alpha along with calcium. This is another type of nutraceutical available in the market. So in today's lecture, we will be starting with different herbs as health food. So some brief introduction on herbs as health food. So we are all aware that herbs, they are basically used by the mankind since its origin on the earth. Herbs are used, why? To alleviate human illness and for maintaining good health. So the products which are coming from natural origin, they are usually for general improvement of health. They are referred as health food, but not as drug or medicinal agent. So if I'm using the word health food, I am only emphasizing on improving the health of the patient or maintaining good health of an individual. So if I'm using the word health food, it is neither a drug nor it is a medicinal agent. So what is the definition of health food? Health food, it can be defined as a food which is supplemented with different herbal ingredients, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, and some of the ingredients isolated from the conventional food. So any nutraceutical product or a health food product you take, and you will see that it is a composition of different herbal ingredients that is coming from the plant origin. It will also contain vitamin, mineral, some nutrients, and they are basically aiming at improving the health of an individual, maintaining the good health of the individual. So health foods, they are termed by different names throughout the world. So in Oriental region, the health foods, they are termed as functional foods. In Western region, they are termed as nutraceuticals. Thus, nutraceuticals and functional foods, they can be used as synonyms for the health food products. So please remember, students, nutraceuticals are neither drugs or medicines. Nutraceuticals, they are mainly aimed in improving the health of the individual, maintaining good health of an individual. Now, what is the precise definition of nutraceutical? The term nutraceutical, it is a hybrid or it is a contraction of two words, nutrition and pharmaceutical. The history of nutraceutical, it is traced back in the year 1989. So in 1989, D. Felsey, he coined the word nutraceutical in the organization that is called as Foundation for Innovation in Medicine. So in this particular organization, DFLC, he coined or he named the word as nutraceutical. He clarified and restated in the press release later in the year 1994, and the definition of nutraceutical is stated as under. Nutraceutical, it is nothing but it is any substance that may be considered as a food or a part of food, and it provides medical or health benefits, including prevention and treatment of the disease. So over here, nutraceutical, it can be either a component of the food, a part of the food, it provides health benefits, it provides some medicinal benefit, and it will try to not only take care of the disease, but also it will further help in preventing the disease. So it is more of a preventive aspect rather than just curing the disease. So there are a range of products which are available in the market as nutraceuticals. So nutraceuticals are available in the market as isolated nutrients. They are available as dietary supplements. They are available as diets, which are genetically engineered designer foods. In addition to it, there are some herbal products and processed foods also available as nutraceuticals. So they may contain cereals, soups, and beverages. So nowadays, if you see in the market, there are so many other products which are containing some nutraceutical component offering health benefits. So this is the broad definition of nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals, it can be defined as any substance that may belong to plant, food, or an essential component of food, providing definitive medicinal usefulness, health promotion, as well as physiological benefits, ultimately minimizing the possible risk of prevailing chronic disease significantly. So nutraceuticals, it can come from plant origin. It can be either a food or an important or essential component of food, providing some distinct or definitive medicinal usefulness. Basically, nutraceutical is responsible for promoting good health, physiological benefit, and it will try to minimize the possible risk of any disease. So for example, say there are some, what you can call it as herbs or medicinal plants, which gives substantial benefit against chronic disease. So there are some list of major diseases wherein nutraceuticals can offer a great relief or prevention. So nutraceuticals are intimately associated with the relief or prevention and or treatment of certain specific or well-known major diseases. So all the diseases which are related to heart, coronary diseases, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, nervous debility, digestive problems, that is poor or impaired digestive problem. So in all these major diseases, nutraceutical offers immense health benefits. In addition to it, there are some few other related ailments wherein nutraceutical offers a lot of advantages or benefits. Anything related to pain management, that is musculoskeletal disorders like arthritis, acute arthritis, joint pains, osteoporosis. So these are all the diseases or disorders which are related to joint pains or related to the musculoskeletal disorders. In addition to it, even it is very helpful in case of neural tube problems. Now, what exactly is a neural tube? This neural tube, it is the structure which is there in the mammalian embryo. So when the infant is small, this particular neural tube, okay, it further develops into brain and spinal cord. So ideally, if there is an incomplete development of this particular neural tube, the individual or the infant is suffering from neural tube defect, that is a newborn baby suffering from neural tube defect, which is scientifically termed as spina bifida. So in this particular critical health condition also, okay, disease condition also, nutraceuticals are immensely offering greater benefit.